This machine was truly transformational to our business. It changed New England Die Company. This machine consumes all of our grinding, our OD grinding, our ID grinding. It does it all. It's made our life simpler. It's brought our lead times down. We're selling tooling today less expensive than we did in some cases 5 and 8 years ago, and making more profit on it because of the ability of this machine to get the job done. And in many times throughout the day, there's no one in front of it. It's grinding, doing its own thing. Allows me to do something else. I'm Joe Almeida, president of New England Die Company in Waterbury, Connecticut, a longtime tool and die manufacturer, precision part manufacturer, over 80 years old in this location here since 1955. We produce tungsten carbide tools, hardened tool steels, some aluminums and some plastics, some phenolics as well. The reason I looked at the Studer in particular was due to our lot size. Our lot size is 1. Yes, occasionally we do 2. I've even done 100. Those are few and far between. That's why the control meant everything to me. Certainly I need an accurate machine, but I need a control that I can walk up to and get a program out literally in under 2 minutes, flat. I would say less than 1. The machine is that quick and that flexible. I do one part, then I move on to the next part. They're all unique, every single one is different. They may look similar, every single one is different, requires a unique program. United Grinding and Studer is all about high volume. I get it, there is that market out there. I don't know where it is, I don't handle that market. I'm a job shop. I'm your typical made in USA job shop. We turn, we mill, we grind, we EDM, we laser. I don't know what comes in tomorrow, but I know I can grind it. They advertise the S33 as a universal machine. It's about as universal as it comes. It changes over very rapidly between center work, chuck work, OD, ID, it's all there. It's that quick. You know, I'm a long-time tool maker. I've been a tool maker since I was 16 years old, and that was quite a few years ago. I'd like to say that it's important to be a carbide grinder and to have years of experience in the shop to run the machine. The reality is, you don't need that experience. It's built into the control. Speeds and feeds are all there. There's a technology database in the machine. So what's the return on investment? Well, quite frankly, I haven't calculated it. I can tell you it's quick. I can tell you that that machine makes such a difference with the amount of throughput that we can do on that machine. The payback is insane. This machine just runs. It eats material. The best way I can describe it. You lose the hesitancy of the operator touching off, finding the part, dialing in a size. You lose all of that with this machine. It knows where it is all the time. I would label this as one of the most transformational machines that I've ever purchased. In the grand scheme of our business, potentially the most transformational. It's a complex machine, I'm not going to deny that. One of the more complex that we have. It has a learning curve. I would say the learning curve for me was 2 weeks. Gentleman that trained me left on Friday. By Monday morning, I was running that machine making perfectly good parts. That machine performs. It performed from day one, and it still performs. I'm a busy guy. I'm the owner of the company. I'm the president, and I handle pretty much every aspect of this business. That machine is running while I'm running my business. It's running unattended. It's doing what it's supposed to do, making precision tooling. I added another employee that doesn't want time off, doesn't want vacations, doesn't require Social Security, and it never complains to me. That machine runs and makes parts.